What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm going to be in the car trying to figure out this traction control. So I'm trying to learn how to drift, do standing burnouts, rolling burnouts, and things of that nature. But I got to figure out this traction control system. So I already recorded this video. I'm dead tired, y'all. Cannot tell a lie about that. So I split my last video in half, and this will be the second half of that video after the MRT 20th anniversary car meet. So after that, I went to a parking lot to try out the traction control and see if I can get better at driving the car with it on, with it off, and just learn how it works. So that's what today's video is going to be like. Enjoy the ride, and here we go. I'm feeling a little curious right now, so shout out to Robbie for showing me this spot up here. We did the review of the Civic Si up here, but I need to know what this car is like without traction control. I know what stability control off does on here, or whatever they call it on here, but I need to see what this car can do with traction control turned off. I know with everything completely off, that's how I do my donuts and whatnot, but I just need to see what this thing do while trying to turn with only traction control off and nothing else. So I got this great big empty parking lot. Let's see what happens. Man, this parking lot is huge and empty. Like somebody else already did the Lord's work. So traction control off. Let's see. So that got sideways. Thought traction, turn traction control and MDM off. I just want traction control off. Hold on. DSC off. Hold on, man. Let me try that again, because I did a little bit too much. Whoops. I guess you got to put the car in gear if you want it to move. All right, MDM. Let's see if it'll let me do a donut like that. Doesn't really want to. All right, let me turn that completely off. Okay, DSC inactive. This will let me go all the way around stability control off. Stability control, if you don't know, basically keeps the car from like going off track side to side. And I should be able to freely do a donut this way. Yep. I'm pretty good with this controlling donuts. RIP to my new wrap I got on here. Alright, why won't my car just go into traction control off only? Let me go through some menus, because this I need to know. So I got my M1 setting for DSC on. I guess when you turn traction control off, MDM is just automatically off. I thought you can just do traction control off with no MDM. And all these freaking acronyms, I'm getting confused. What the heck is MDM and what the heck is DSC? Stability control, DSC something stability control, MDM. What the heck is that? Oh, it does say exactly. Stability control active is what DSC means. Reduce dynamic stability control, driver assistance steering intervention deactivated. Okay, I guess traction control on is DSC. Wait, no, that should be two different things. I wonder if since I use Beamer code, can I not just go traction control off with DSC on? I don't know. Somebody drop a comment, let me know what I'm doing. Alright, let me try and do something into a turn with traction control off, because I would like to know how far I can do, like how far to the limit I can go in this car if I'm like stabbing it in the turn, because I don't want to just lose control. I need that stability control. Okay, that's still pretty controllable. All right, I might be able to do it with MDM. leave this location soon, because Livonia and people like me do not go together well. Oh, that might not be the move. I'm gonna have to know what I'm doing if I ever lose control like that. Got to counter steer. So thankfully I know a little bit of what I'm doing, but woo! This ended up being way more fun than what I thought it would be. I'm gonna have to get tired, y'all, because the way I be driving this car, tires gonna be needed. And that leads me to wonder. I'm a curious person, man. If y'all haven't noticed, I'm very curious. That's why I buy so many cars. Can I do a burnout? Like just a standing burnout? First of all, I don't know how to do one, but I wonder if I can do one with if I just go in a straight line. Oh, forgot what I was doing. All right. We doing a lot of things today. So I mixed up my pedals. To do a burnout, you need to get off of the clutch completely and be on the gas and the brake to do a standing burnout. So let's try that again. Still didn't install. No shout out to race car friend. I'll work on that later, man. I don't know. But let me finish driving here. Probably cause a lot of attention going around up here. Don't want to do that to myself. Oh, they got speed bumps here? Who would have thought? Alright, so don't know if I'm ready yet for MDM off, because the car can come around. I guess it's less than like being freely able to go around, but it still can get out there. So that's a little bit more, yeah. Take a little bit more skill. But I think I'm right at that cusp where I can drive with this off. Might need a more seasoned driver to point that out to me. So I don't know why I can't just turn traction control off. Like I said, drop a comment and let me know if maybe doing that beamer code thing probably disabled something when I turned off auto rev match, if that disabled traction control to be off with MDM still on, if that's even a thing. I get so mixed up with all these cars, man. Ooh, this thing look like it want to play a little bit. All right. Just left for car meet. I think it's still pretty controllable though. I don't know. Not to make myself nervous. Traction control on. So I got to work on those standing burnouts. So I know how to do it in theory, where you got to let off the clutch, be on the gas doing a burnout. Then you're supposed to kind of like ease onto the brake and still be feathering the gas or adding more throttle while still on the brakes. You don't have to stand on the brake. And this is why I suck at heel toe downshifting. Like my coordination needs some work to where I can do that better. I just actually slammed on the brake, so I almost thought, but I didn't because I'm not race car friends. Shout out to me. Accurate TL, or is that the ILX? I be getting those mixed up. I think the Integra looks different, but whatever that is, which I think is the ILX, be looking similar. I can still be in the power band in the beginning of that thing. I'm gonna start practicing with traction control off. I guess with MDM. What does it say? Yeah, I guess with MDM. I do that on the street at lower speeds to where I can control it, because I don't want to be doing that at higher speeds to where, in case I don't be able to counter steer and get back the gain of control. So I'm practicing, y'all. I told y'all I'm trying to get better at driving. These are the things that are necessary. I should be going to the track at the end of this month with this car, so that'll be good to watch. So stay tuned for that. Unless y'all want to see me take the Integra to the track, I don't want to do that, to be honest. But this car, this is what I want to take to the track. Actually, even if y'all wanted the Integra at the track, I'm still taking this. But I'm gonna leave y'all with that. Just playing around with turning traction control off on this car. Trying to hone in on those skills. Need to be a better driver. Getting to know this car more. Because at this car meet today, being with all these people, most people tend to keep cars for a long time. And I saw a lot of good builds. Shout out to Vine. He had the gray Fusion with the bright green brake calipers. So we're going to link up soon. But just seeing people put all those things into their car, like a lot of people love their car and do so much to their car. I don't do that because of who I am as a person, but it's just cool to see like people knowing and loving their car. And this is something like, since I hop in and out of cars so much and doing these reviews as well, I kind of forget how to do certain things in specific cars. So this is the car that I need to really learn how to hone in on the driving skill. And I think learning in this car, because I didn't learn in my other cars, because this car just seems a natural fit for that. I just jumped in here and it does the things that I wanted to do, how I thought my other cars could. So I need to become one with the machine and get to knowing these things in this car. So this car might be here for a while. I was telling people that at the car meet, they call BS on me. I'm like, dude, I'm keeping this car for a long time. I just got a wrap, so I got to keep it. But y'all know me, but I do plan on keeping it. Drop a comment and tell me how long you think I will keep this M2. I think it's gonna be here for at least this year, probably longer. I said I'll never sell it, and y'all said I was lying. Shame on y'all. About to get rear-ended by an Explorer because of this traffic jam. That's all I got for this driving portion of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Give me some tips, man, because I'm reaching out for y'all for advice. I know y'all watching me, but I'm reaching out to you for advice because I normally don't drive like this, trying to get better. So I'm really thinking about taking some classes on how to drive more spiritedly in a closed circuit area. I just want to be that good. But let me know some tips or things that I was doing or not doing in this car properly. I got the donuts on lock, man. I need to like learn how to drift a little better. That's to come as well. Like I said, man, I'm gonna need some tires at some point this year. Hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. So I'm trying to have a whole lot of fun in this car. Like, this is my fun car. Like I said, when I bought this car, it is a very playful car, so I'm about to utilize it in that fashion. Not so serious, not worried about the 0 to 60 quarter-mile times or Jag racing times. I just want to have as much fun as I can, and this car does not fail to deliver on that aspect of it. So if you got some pointers to throw me, go ahead, drop a comment, let me know. But like I said, I'm about to be looking into taking some courses on how to, I need to get in the enclosed circuit or some kind of place. Now, I met a couple guys at the car show. Shout out to those people. I'm not going to disclose their names, but they're willing to work with me on training on how to get better with this car. So I'm going to be doing that in the future. I'm not sure, maybe in the next month or two, but I got some things I got to do, and I got to get in the house and actually work on this Sunday. So I've been so busy with my job, man. Like, I'm not able to put out as many videos as I want to, so I'm kind of limited on the space where I can make videos. So hoping y'all still enjoying this content right here, because this is all I can do at the moment. And I went down from like 3 videos to 2 videos a week, but I'm out here working, man. So bear with me. Appreciate y'all. Thanks for being here. Check out the channel, and I will catch you all in the next video. Peace out.